Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to have two Outlook accounts on one computer. It's super quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open your Outlook app and click on File in the top left corner. Then select Add Account. Here, type in the email address you want to add. You can use the advanced setup option, but I recommend using the automatic method since it's faster and simpler. Once you've entered your email, click Next and type in your password. If your account has two-step verification enabled, make sure to complete that process. Afterward, click Allow to let Outlook access your account details. You'll then see a message saying your account was added successfully. Click Done, and that's it. Your new email is now added and ready to use inside Outlook. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more quick tech tips.